Hello everyone, I'm Sue Azman.
I'm Pasir Ris from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. In today's video, we are excited to present to you a charming two-story inter-terrace home located in beautiful Pasir Ris area.
This property offers the ideal combination of three sought-after elements for a perfect retirement: sun, sand, and
the sea. Surrounded by lush natural surroundings, this home provides a serene environment while also being conveniently close to numerous amenities and facilities. Let's take a closer look. Welcome to this unique 999 leasehold property. Stepping in, you'll be first greeted with an elegant space that you can park your car within your property and explore a new hobby like gardening right over there. This two-level home boasts approximately 3,100 square feet of built-up area on a 2,400 square feet lot. The current owners have completed major renovations, including redesigning layout and upgrading of piping and electrical system, which will greatly benefit you. This property is ideal for multi-generational living, starting with the heart of the home, the living hall. It is not only here, it's wide and it has a good ceiling height of 3 meters. Over here in this living hall, it can cater for a 5 or more seater sofa, and it has a good cross ventilation.
It seamlessly connects to the dining room, which can accommodate 4 to 8 people with plenty of walking space.
There's also a small dry kitchen setup with pantry for quick grabs. Experience the perfect blend of space and convenience in this spacious kitchen with a squarish layout. It is just steps away from an outdoor sheltered laundry area with ample storage space.
Also on level 1, we have a spacious granny's room with Jack and Jill bathroom, as well a decent sized helper's room beside the kitchen. Come, let's head up to level 2. Upon reaching this level, you'll find a welcoming communal space.
In this level, we have a huge master room, 2 common rooms and a common toilet.
Both common rooms can accommodate a king-size bed, have enough space for desks and offer plenty of storage.
The master room is as large as a living hall. It can be divided into 2 rooms if you really need to be.
Close by, we have Overseas Family School, Parkview Primary and Meridian Primary. The beach is within walking distance, less than 5 minutes away.
Nearby, you will find Elias Mall, which hosts a 24-hour supermarket and various eateries. For transportation, Pasir Ris MRT station is less than 1 km away, and the bus stop is just 3 minutes walk from this unit. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful property tour. If you're interested in seeing more, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at NUS 94564324 and Sue at 93865516.
This unique home won't be on the market for so long, so don't miss your chance.
Have a great day.